And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the padding methods. They can be used to add a specific length and a specific string to an existing one. Let me define a number, value of 3. We can print it out here. I'm going to define a new variable called padEnd, and then I use the number and I add padStart. Just a method, so dot padStart and a regular brackets, and I want to print that out. For now it's still a 3 because I haven't defined values inside of the padStart. The first one, this is the length, and the second one, you add that with quotation marks. This is the string that you add. So let me add simply x, and 3 then defines the total number, the total length of our new variable. So when I add 7, we will have 6 x's and the number 3. And if I add 5 and I make that 0, we will have 4 zeros and then the number 3. Don't forget the quotation marks here. If I add, for example, just a word number, and I have a length of 5, it takes the first 4 characters, so num, and then adds the number 3. And if I make that a 7, we'll get the full text number, and then the 3, because number has 6 characters, and if I make that longer, it repeats the text until we've achieved our length. Let me get back to x and 5, and now I change start to end, because you can also pad it after the 3. So now we have 3 and then 4 x's, which gives us a total length of 5 for our padded variable. You don't have to do it like this. You can simply print out the number here and then add the pad methods directly, so you don't have to define a new variable. Let me add padEnd and then 4 and x, so we have 3 and then 3 x's. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.